The mistress baker does bread big time. Large bread loaf. There are lots of variations of bread recipes. They're all really the same, just different flour and a few added extras, not forgetting the yeast. My dad always used fresh yeast from DCL. It always said DCL on the packet, and it was delivered once a week. We had one box and a few odd ones. They were £12 in an outer, and you had to use it all by the next delivery. Remember to keep some and back until the next delivery. Today we use a bread maker or plain oven. Recipes never change, but I use dried yeast. It keeps longer, especially if you're not going to make batches of bread. For now there is not the need. An ounce of fresh yeast every day, well, it should last the dose course of a week. For ulcers on your legs, my nanny used to swear by it and wrap with absorbent paper if they get too messy, but will heal and no scar. As of yet I have no need to try this. I eat yeast on a regular basis these days. It's in all kinds of foods which you never imagined. I will only give you one recipe from my bread book, and here it is. 1 1/3 cups of room temperature water, a tablespoon of cooking fat, a teaspoon of salt, 3 1/3 cups of bread flour, wholemeal for this recipe, a teaspoon of white sugar, 2 teaspoons of dried yeast, or one sachet, which is 2 teaspoons. Put all the ingredients in your bread maker, water at the bottom, then oil, then all of your dry ingredients. Another day I'll tell you how to do it without your bread maker. Remember, program 2. And how long does it take? Well, I hope it's going to tell me when it finishes. It normally does, unless it's gone wrong. Thank you, Sandra the Mistress Baker, on bread, small time and big time. Well, it was big time in the past, but it's now small time.